my name is Colette Norville. I'm a collaboration sales specialist here at Cisco, and today I'm taking you on a tour of our Cisco France office here in Paris. What Cisco have done here is integrate all of our incredible modern technology into this historic building. It's very much a flagship office showcasing all the best technology that we have from a collaboration perspective to show how we power an inclusive future for all. Hey Alex.
Hi.
How are you? Good, yeah. At Cisco we talk about the office being a magnet and not a mandate. And one of the main things that makes it so easy to come to the office is that everything works, and everything works pretty seamlessly. And when it comes to smart buildings, many different aspects within this office are powered through Power over Ethernet. And why PoE? Well, this low voltage way of powering our office is safe and efficient. And because everything is on the network, there's also significantly more control. Communal workspaces like this are very much focused on hot desking. And here at Cisco, we make it super easy for you just to find a space that's available and essentially just take a desk. All around the Cisco Paris office, we've got lots of these little pods which are designed for individual use. So they are soundproofed for privacy, and all you have to do is take your camera on your mobile phone, scan the QR codes on the desk device, and it will pull up all of your meetings and it will claim this device for you to use. So here in the Paris office, you can use the Cisco Spaces digital signage to find the availability of any area or meeting space. You can use the Cisco Spaces indoor wayfinding technology to navigate easily to the space that you want to book. Throughout the Cisco Paris office, we have Cisco video devices pretty much everywhere. From personal video devices like our Desk Pros and our Desk Minis, to room bars and our WebEx Board Pros. And the Board Pros can be used in either Microsoft Teams mode or RoomOS mode because we believe in interoperability. So we found ourselves here in the Olympic room in the Paris office. Did you know that Cisco is an official technology partner of the Olympics 2024? In this meeting room here, we have set up our video device to show Frames mode. And Frames mode is basically how we power an inclusive future for everyone. So what Frames mode means is that even if you're a remote participant joining into this meeting where your colleagues are all in one meeting room, you feel just as included and just as part of the team by being able to pick up on visual movements, facial expressions as the meeting is going on. One of the really cool areas that we have here in the Cisco France office here in Paris is our Customer Experience Centre. This is the area that we bring all of our customers to showcase the incredible technology that we have built into the Cisco Paris office and the stuff that we get to use here every day. And what an incredible space to be able to bring our customers to here in Paris. So that's it, the time in our Paris office has come to an end. I really hope you've enjoyed seeing some of the incredible technology that we have in this amazing space. Such a beautiful place to bring our customers to showcase all the technology we have that is helping to power an inclusive future for all.